Hello traders. In this video, we are going to discuss the end of day trading strategy, a popular approach that focuses on analyzing the market after the daily candle close. So we have our daily chart, but what is it and what does it really imply? The end of day strategy revolves around analyzing daily chart candles after the market close. Traders using this approach look at completed daily candles to assess price action, key levels, and potential setups. This method reduces the need to monitor charts throughout the day and can help filter out intraday noise. The focus is on higher time frame context, which tends to produce clearer price action patterns. Now for the key concepts. Key components to understand include the importance of using the daily time frame, as I previously said, identifying key support and resistance levels, recognizing candlestick patterns at the close, and understanding session timing across different Forex markets. As for who is for, this strategy is well suited for traders who cannot monitor charts during the trading day, such as those with full-time jobs or other commitments. It is an analytical framework only and does not guarantee any specific results. As with all strategies, market conditions vary. False signals are always possible. Proper risk management and confirmation techniques are essential. That's going to wrap up today's video. If you'd like to download this resource or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. I'll see you in the next one.